Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change back camera to the front one. Let's do it by tapping on this button from the right. So here we are, and now let's move to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we get access to more options about the camera we can manage. Now let's move to the left side and pick this settings button to open the advanced camera settings. In the front camera now, at the second place we have mirror front camera option, so this is our mirror effect. By using button from the right we can turn it off and turn it on, like that, as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.